Welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Gran Canaria still. We'll take a little walk around, see Wagwan in it. You know the vibe. Let's go. So, right there, Mas Palomas Plaza. We had a little walk down the beach yesterday, so I thought I'd show you down there. This bus stop here take you to the airport. Catch the 66 straight from there. Takes you straight to the airport. Let's have a little look down there. Come on. Had a late one last night. It was at R&B Weekender. It's quite a late one it was. I think we got in about 2 a.m. I was out from about 9. Went out yesterday. At Gran Canaria top. Hello. There's not much in there really. So if you know where we are, this is the opposite side. There's like nightclubs on the opposite side. We'll take a little walk around there. Let's go back up. But yeah, out last night. Made a few videos for the boys. R&B Weekender. Really grateful for them to invite me down. And let my daughter come in as well. My daughter and my boyfriend. We had a great time. I wonder if I can go around this way. Yeah, I can. Right. Oh. So yeah, there's Kasbah over there. So yeah guys, don't forget, like, share, comment. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because 90% of you guys who watch these videos are not subscribed. So it'd be great if you could subscribe. Let's get out to 10,000. Thank you very much for helping us get to 5,000. You smashed that. It's just over a year and we got to 5,000. It's a great achievement. Let's quickly show you down there. Yeah, Kasbah's over there. There's a nightclub just there to the right going down. Oh, that's me. Don't know what's going on over here. Got some tunes playing. Alright. So yeah, we was down there last night. Looks like they've cleaned up the floor. Always gets a bit messy down there. Yeah, no idea what these people are doing over there. Playing out the tunes. We went to, had one drink in, what's this, Irish bar, is it? I think it's an Irish bar. Oh, the floor's a bit sticky there. But yeah, it's my last day. So I thought I'd get you a few videos done. So yeah, we was in Al Casiro last night. What's it called? Molly Malone's. Okay, we was in Molly Malone's as well. I went there for one beer first. There's a steakhouse there. Is that any good? Has anyone been to it? 2 beers for 6. It's not bad at all. Average nowadays for one of those 3 euros a beer. Yeah, there's a big police presence up here last night, and the night before Saturday there was even more. There was like stopping people, dragging them to the side. Yeah, let me know if you've been to this place, if it's any good. I don't eat meat, so useless for me, these steakhouses. But yeah, let's have a little walk around Kasbah. You've seen the night video we done. We walked around these areas already. Let's go down this side of Kasbah's. Yeah. Lovely day today. I think it's going to be some rain I've seen. It's coming, the rain is coming. But not here. Tenerife is going to be a big rainstorm over the next few days. €7 for a pizza. Not too bad. So you got the big sign of Kasbah's there. Kasbah. Let's have a little walk through. Happy hour, 2 beers for £5. Karaoke, Irish tavern. Not bad. Tequila's €1. Just get a quick tequila, shouldn't I, for €1. Not much will be open right now, as I think it's just gone 11, half 11. Let's have a check, see what time it is. Yeah, half 11. Says my phone's connected to something. I have no idea what it's connected to. But yeah, a coffee shop up there, a cafe. I thought more might have been open, you know, like clothes shops, but there's nothing. A bit strange. It's a big shopping centre. See if this Hyperdina's open. Yeah, it is. Okay, there you go. A few little things open. There's mojitos. Who's in here? Had a nice beer the other night. Actually had a glass of wine. Okay, Hyperdina's open. This must shut early though, because when I come down at night time, it is closed. Pringles, $2.15. It's about same price at home, isn't it? If you like Pringles. Yeah, take a little walk down there. There's a nice restaurant down here on the left. I know it's right here. Really lit up at night time, this place is. Looks fantastic. Barbecue restaurant. Let me know if you've been there. I said I haven't. This is my second time here. Quite enjoy Gran Canaria. I don't enjoy the steps or the hills. It's not my thing, but videos do well here for us, so I always will come back. But we're going to try and do like a little island hop when we come next. And we're going to do like 2 nights Gran Canaria, 2 nights Lanzarote, 2 nights Tenerife. Let me know in the comments if you want us to get to Fuerteventura. Ireland just doesn't look like it has much to offer me, but if you guys want to see some videos, let us know. I'll be happy to come down, do a little day trip over, or spend 1 night at least. Got little parakeets up there making their noise. They're having a fight. Oof. I stood somewhere yesterday and these pigeons flew straight next to my head. About 5 of them. Like bullets. But yeah, did a video around Yumbo. What day was it? Saturday night. You have to watch that one. Hopefully it doesn't get demonetized or I get any strikes for men's asses, but fucking loads of men's asses were out. It was fetish pride, so everyone was dressed up. So it's not intentional, but that's what was there. Went to Tom's. I went past Tom's. And that was rammed, everyone was out. It was like carnival, it was so busy. And there was a few more bars, you'll see in the video, a few more bars were so busy. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share the video to anyone who likes Gran Canaria. And I'll catch you on the next one, yeah?